How to stop being tired all the time. It's a video I actually recently watched. Basically, the advice was sleep better, eat better, exercise, try meditation, and that's it. I'm gonna give you guys some different advice instead of the basic stuff that we all kind of know we should be doing. The reason or the way that I'm able to maintain really high energies most of the time, especially last year when I was in Japan for 134 days or so, and nearly every single day I was going out and just doing something that was adventurous and fun, and I always brought the energy despite sometimes sleeping really late, despite not eating the best. I always went out to eat. Despite all those things, I didn't meditate either, but I was fine. I was energetic. It was because of the environment. That is a very simple factor and reason that a lot of people, I think, overlook sometimes. The environment where you are can change your energy levels drastically. If you're around all the same people all the time, in the same home, in the same space all the time, it's gonna feel mundane. It's gonna feel like the energy is not quite there because you're so used to it. But at the same time, there's another part to it that can change that, and that is purpose. For me, purpose for last year of being in Japan was to learn Japanese, was to go on an adventure and actually go out and have fun. Because I did meet people who were also in Japan for their first time and staying longer term, who would just stay indoors all the time, studying Japanese, playing games, watching anime or whatever. And they were just living the same life in a different place. So it's not as if the place will magically change everything for you. It'll certainly change a lot in the beginning, but you also have to have a purpose, a really like big purpose that makes you excited. For me right now, being in Japan, I am trying my best to improve on my content game. I'm trying to make more videos like these where I'm talking to the camera, and it's been really fun actually. And I feel excited to do that every day, especially for this whole 30-day YouTube challenge. I do kind of want to stop, admittedly, because it is kind of a lot to do every single day for my main channel. But it is a purpose that gets me up in the morning and I'm like, okay, I gotta create a thumbnail. I gotta go shoot a video in a nice place. I gotta write a script. I gotta come up with better ideas. I gotta organize these things. It gets me up and moving, and it also gives me energy basically. And I'm not tired. I haven't been tired despite like doing all of these things, and also seeing friends, making new friends and all that stuff. Overwhelmed, yes, but not necessarily tired. Of course I feel tired at night sometimes and I sleep and then I feel better again, and you know, the process goes again. It's kind of natural to eventually feel tired, but the purpose of this video is to not feel tired all the time. And I think the reason I used to feel tired all the time back then was because my routine was just so mundane and I was just doing the same thing over and over again. But like I said, if you have that purpose, where for me these days it's just been whatever my 30-day challenge is about, that's my purpose, is focus on the 30-day challenge. And then my whole life starts to just shape itself around that challenge. And you know, still doing my freelance work and all that other stuff as well, like those things on the side, but the focus has to be on something you feel excited about. The focus has to be on the thing you're trying to change yourself to be like better at. So that's my best advice. And how it relates to your environment is, if you have that purpose and you have a thing you want to focus on, you can start shaping your environment to be that. Like for instance, this area right here, this I guess playground area, it has like an adult section where you do pull-ups and push-ups. And I did that for 30 days like last month, and I've just been exercising here. So whenever I come here, this is my purpose, to exercise. So I feel energized. I feel automatically like ready to go to do some pull-ups and push-ups. So that is another way to use this idea, imbue purpose with a location. And I've done it with my own like room as well. Not room, but like my space in my house in California. It's like my place where I work, or my place where I exercise, or my place where I record piano or practice piano, whereas it's the piano basically, room. But just like imbuing some purpose in your locations and starting a ritual in those locations can help a lot with like energizing yourself while you're in those places. That's another way to get like less tired all the time. That is the best advice that I've got for you guys. Hopefully that helps. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.